about 7 a.m. Zach Man here. Me and my brother Russ headed to the bagger races in Atlanta. Stay tuned for more coverage. Peace.
Ryan,
how we doing? Don't close. Don't close it.
the screen went dark on me.
Probably very cold.
Here we are for the Super Sport warm-up. Alright, so here we are at Road Atlanta. It's about 8:45 in the morning. Next up is the 1000cc practice. He's about to fly. Alright, so the baggers are about to start their practice. So we're going to go over here where we can get them coming through the S's. Bagging them.
Welcome back, everybody, to the Christian motorcycle.
Alright, so the baggers are about to come down that hill to the edges.
I mean, you know, Kyle Wyman talked about
Alright, here they come.
seconds faster than last year than they were the previous year. They're another second and a half faster this year. That means development. Yeah, I mean, it's, you know, working on the saddle, looking at the bag and everything.
All that blue. But that's got the windshield basically like this.
I'm not crazy about the blues, but
No, they are. Oh, does it? Oh. 135 cubic inches. No replacement for displacement. For a second, I thought that was a Honda behind the Africa Queen. There's your t-shirt, Russ.
What's that?
The Ride Italian. How are you? Good. Take wave. Video. Here we are with our new friend Pete Lowe, and we've had an awesome time talking and visiting with Pete. He's obviously a Ducati rider and a Ducati fan, but in our conversation it sounds like he's a motorcycle enthusiast just like the rest of us, and it's been a pleasure to get to know him in this little bit of time. So and I appreciate him doing this little video with us.
You're welcome, my friend.
Thank you, sir.
Is up just a little bit. He fades just a little bit, and here's Taylor Knapp right behind him again.
It's kind of like the yo-yo factor. Everybody has their certain strong parts of the track. You know,
Okay, so the next class up is Superbikes. We're gonna come over here to
You know, for him to come out and do it in
This
race
is-
one of the first round of the series, I think some
and
people
get the
knew it was
start.
gonna happen. I don't know if they expected it to happen.
and then
this
we'll be
quickly.
back over on the back
So there were
stretch.
all these champions.
Here we go. Medallion Superbike race number 2. Oh, it's a movement. And it looks like it's going to be Camp Peterson and Stoltz both moved. So our AMA FIM North America officials will take a look at that. But in terms of leading the way, it's the number 1 plate of Jake Gagne.
The guy who I think could step up is the guy right behind the first two. Josh Heron is usually pretty good on the first laps, and he knows he's got to go with these guys early.
early, the number 2, with a good start. So we'll see if he's able to push the pace along and run with those guys. And you can see Camp Peterson's trying to do the same thing. That pressure, Greg, of getting off the line with those two guys is
That would be a heartbreaker.
On some things mentally, he's obviously got the physical capabilities, and we know Mike has got down the end of the back straightaway, leaking a lot of fuel out of it. I'm trying to figure out. Oh, now
Yeah.
we're on fire, Greg. So they'll probably end up having to red flag this.
Nobody ever told you you look just like Hoonigan? I was like, I thought he died. Even the dogs having a good time.
For all four of these riders is Herron trying to find some room around. Is he going to try to go to the inside in turn number 6? He will. He takes a tighter line. That's a great place to pass. Now turn number 7 tightens up. The slowest corner on the racetrack. Now it looks like Herron a little wide. Beaubier tries to get up the inside and square it off. They're trying to find position all over the racetrack. Who's got the drive? A double draft right now for Jake Gagne. But it is neck and neck they go between Beaubier and Herron. Josh Herron pushed way wide, almost to the grass, and it's Jake Gagne who takes over the lead. Now into turn, and Herron dive bombs in there. Is he able to save it? He does. But to the checkered flag we go, and it's Jake Gagne who's going to come down the hill. And what a move for Gagne through the final corner. Drive to the checkered flag, and Jake Gagne, the #1 plate, will take his first win of 2023 over Cam Beaubier, Matthew Skultz, and Josh Herron holds on to 4th spot.
Okay, we're about to go watch the start of the King of the Baggers race.
And obviously
Race
Tyler got
2
him to the line,
at
but
Road
I
Atlanta.
missed out on the podium, but it is what it is. I went for it.
Back in a minute.
I think that
As we await the red light, here we go. Revs are up. And we're away. Kyle Wyman looks like he got off the line clean on that Harley Davidson. And Kyle has to stand up because there's another bike in his way. It's the #1 of Tyler O'Hara.
And Kyle's trying to cut back. He's not going to be able to get through, though. So it's going to be Tyler O'Hara that's going to lead him up and through this little S section for the first time. Looks like Bobby Fong, Jeremy McWilliams is 4th. And then it looks like Rispoli probably back there in 5th.
Here we go, first time for the S's. On the 600.
Start yesterday, was able to kind of pull a little bit of a gap. Now he's got Bobby Fong right behind him. He's going to get a double bike draft off the 2 in front. Wyman's going to pull out of the draft to the right of O'Hara. Let's see if he's got the speed to get right now, and he's not quite close enough, as you can see there, Greg. Not quite close enough. O'Hara was deep on the brakes into here yesterday. He doesn't want to give up the spot, as you can see how backed in he is. And he's off the track, Greg. O'Hara's off the track, but he's going to get it back on.
So Tyler,
Man, crazy.
You can see he's got a little bit tighter line going in. Kyle's sitting out there breaking as he normally would. Got the back end part starts happening with Stoddard Ship Show.
Makes me think of the Terminator. You riding that fat boy, ain't you?
Yeah.
I was like, there goes the Terminator.
How you doing, man?
All right, man. How about you, Dion, Stacey? I got you on camera. Golly, it's incredible.
What they running? 140s or something?
No, they're running 160, 70. The Superbikes are hitting 190.
To get onto the back straightaway to take the 33 towards the checkered flag. Things have spread out ever so slightly. There is the 55 of Eric Stahl in 11th place. Bobby Fong continues to lead Rispoli, and Hayden Gillum now closes up to Rispoli. That's going to be an interesting battle between teammates for 4th and 5th. Here goes Kyle Wyman on this final lap down into turn 10A, 10B. What a weekend he has had, Jason.
Yeah, it's a good weekend for Kyle, and obviously the only problem he's had all year long was the first race at Daytona. Other than that, he's been pretty dominant.
Final corner onto the front straightaway comes Kyle Wyman on the gate.